Hello, beautiful humans. My name is Timothy Wan, and today we will be doing an editorial style makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then make sure to keep on watching. So I'm going to give my face a decent spritz of this NYX Professional Makeup Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. So this one. And then I'm just going to let this dry down really quick. And then after that, I'm just going to go quickly through my other steps in my base routine for my skin, because you can watch my other makeup videos and I basically use the same concealer and techniques in those videos. So I finished this eye after doing my base. So now I'm going to show you guys how I did this eye. Now using this Urban Decay Born to Run palette, I'm going to be taking Weekender, and then I'm just going to be using that to set my eyeshadow that I laid down before. And that's just going to help give us a nice, smooth, even base. And then I'm also going to take it another time into my crease just to use as a transition shade. After that, I'm going to be taking Riff, which is right here, and then using this as my crease shade and tap away any excess that you have. I feel like this look is perfect for the fall months coming up, so I wanted to get ahead and do this look so you guys have some inspiration on what you can wear in the fall on your eyes. After that, I'm going to be taking Baja, and it's this nice burnt orangey color. And then I'm just going to pack this on first near my lash line, and then I'm going to be blending up to the other transition colors that we laid down before. After that, I'm just going to be taking this I'm just going to be taking this up to the transition colors that we laid down before. After that, I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. eye crease brush, and then I'm going to be taking Wild Tart right here at the bottom left hand side of the palette. And then I'm just going to be dabbing into Wild Tart, which is this beautiful mahogany pink shade. And then I'm going to be packing that right on the center of my mobile lid, so it can just fade really nicely. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. eye crease brush again, and then going back into that burnt orange shade, which is Baja. I'm just going to be going in the inner third of my mobile lid and then the outer third of my mobile lid, and just blending into oblivion. I'm just going to be taking Riff to darken it up in the crease. The key to this look is making sure to pack on the color slowly and then blending it out, and then packing it on more and then blending it out, because it's much easier to gauge how much color you want in the look without making it too obnoxious to look at. I'm actually going to be taking the e.l.f. blending brush and then using the same Wild Tart, which is that mahogany purple reddish shade, and then just patting it all over. And I'm going to be patting this from my lash line all the way into the crease of the lid. Honestly, I think this side could use some more too. Finally, I'm going to be taking Baja, which is that burnt orange shade, and then just smudging it along my lash line. Now taking Hellride, which is this beautiful... So now taking Hellride, which is this plum shade, I'm just going to be blending that out on the lash line. Taking a clean side of your brush, I'm going to be taking Still Shot, which is the peachy color, and then putting it in my inner corner and then on my brow bone. And then taking this beautiful glittery gold color called Stranded, I'm just going to be adding that over the peachy color Still Shot, achieving a nice inner corner and then brow bone highlight. And then I like to use my fingers to blend it in. And then taking my trusty e.l.f. lengthening mascara in black, I'm going to be brushing through my brow just to give it a nice and fluffy look. And then I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational and just combing through my lashes really quickly. And then taking this Milk and Lip Cheek Tint in the color Quickie, I'm just going to be applying this to my cheeks with my ring finger. And this helps really complement the berry tones throughout the whole eye look. If you want to tone down the look a little bit, just make sure to use your sponge and then press it into your skin. And now I'm taking the Mega Slicks lip gloss from Wet n Wild and then just adding that all over my lips. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this look. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and to also subscribe down below because it's free and you can support me here on my channel. This is my Instagram if you want to follow me, and this is my blog, so you should check them out and check out my other videos in my channel page. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!